Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting journey to help you boost your English listening skills. Whether you're just starting your language learning adventure or looking to fine-tune your comprehension, these 10 tips are designed to make your listening practice a whole lot easier and more enjoyable. So, if you're ready to level up your English listening game, stick around. Let's get started. 1. Choose your content wisely. When learning English, selecting content that aligns with your interests is important. For example, your hobby is about technology. In that case, you can enhance your listening skills by tuning into English tech podcasts, watching YouTube videos on the latest gadgets, or subscribing to tech news websites in English. Your enthusiasm for the subject matter will motivate consistent practice. 2. Active listening. Active listening is all about giving your undivided attention. If you're improving your English, consider listening to an English audiobook or a podcast. Eliminate background noise, put away your phone, and focus on the speaker's words. This approach ensures you comprehend not only the vocabulary but also the context of the language. 3. Variety is key. English offers a wealth of accents and dialects. To prepare for diverse conversations, listen to content from various English-speaking regions. For instance, you can follow American, British, Australian, and Canadian news broadcasts or enjoy TV series from different English-speaking countries. This variety will broaden your understanding of the language. 4. Use subtitles. Watching English language movies or TV series with English subtitles can significantly boost your listening skills. For instance, if you're watching a popular American TV show, turn on English subtitles. This visual aid helps connect spoken words with their written form, improving comprehension. 5. Transcribe and repeat. To get better at listening and speaking, listen to something in English, like a short podcast. Write down what you hear, then say it out loud. This practice improves your listening and speaking skills. 6. Vocabulary expansion. Listening helps you learn new words. For example, if you're watching an English video about space, write down any new words you hear, like astronaut or telescope. Later, look up what they mean. 7. Join language groups. You can join groups where people chat in English. If you like video games, find an English gaming community. This helps you listen to real conversations. 8. Slow down and speed up. You can slow down or speed up what you're listening to. Start slow if you're not sure, and as you get better, listen faster, like in real conversations. 9. Test your comprehension. Take tests online to see how well you understand. These tests help you know where you need more practice. 10. Consistency is key. The most important thing is to practice often. For example, listen to a short English story or video for 15 minutes every day. Regular practice helps you improve over time. In summary, these 10 tips offer a simple way to make your English listening skills better. By choosing things you enjoy, paying attention, trying different accents, using subtitles, writing down new words, joining English groups, adjusting the speed, testing yourself, and practicing regularly, you'll become a better English listener. Remember, learning a language takes time and practice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more language learning tips.